So I encourage dentists, the professionals, to join Odyssey as an active member for the Odyssey.
I think joining the open dental community is a way to go because it's a wonderful thing to interact with different people, different levels of knowledge, skill, and experience.
To know a lot of doctors from all over the world, worldwide.
My best experience with open dental community is to be able to consult our cases with people from all over the world. We always can learn something new.
Come and join to network with people with experience in this. It will make short steps for you rather than doing trial and error. Now they can see the previous experience of other doctors and they can make the best out of it.
Join open dental community to have the same experience as I have with dental open community, to have an opportunity to know more doctors, more events with the open dental community.
He should join all the events from Odyssey. This is very beneficial. It will shift your career to the next level.
The most enjoyable of this event is the place and the professionality of the speakers.